Hey everybody, welcome to the Your Life Blueprint Sound Vibrations. I'm Gandharva. Thank you for sharing these videos. Please continue and please contribute if you can. Today is Monday, and Monday is the day of devotion, the devotional vibration. All about nourishment. Nourishing the heart, nurturing the heart, the nourishment of the heart, the nurturing of the heart. So today, feel the heart. Get out of the head and go down here. And feel everything today from this place rather than from that place. Wednesday is a good day to use this. Monday is a good day to use this. Burn yourself some sandalwood incense. You know, every day also has a direction. The direction is northwest. Every day has a sex. So Monday is female. Every day has a sense associated with it. So Monday, the devotion, is the sense of sight, seeing. And everything has musical vibration. The intro of the second. And the key of F. So today, also musically, listen to the music of Jimi Hendrix and the great George Harrison. There he is up on Swamiji's Wall of Fame. George Harrison. This is Bhakti Yoga Day, right? And he certainly was a Bhakti yogi, a man of the heart. Giving his devotion to his preferred deity, or his preferred object of devotion. Here's what he had to say. It's better to be an outspoken atheist than a hypocrite. Everything else can wait, but the search for God cannot wait. It's really quite simple. I plant flowers and I watch them grow. I stay home and I watch the river flow. I'll tell you one thing for sure. Once you get to the point where you're actually doing things for truth's sake, then nobody can ever touch you again, because you're harmonizing with a greater power. And the devotional is all about connecting, getting in touch with that greater power. In the end, you're trying to find God. And that's the result of not being satisfied. And it doesn't matter how much money or property or whatever else you've got. Unless you're happy in your heart, then that's it. And unfortunately, you can never gain perfect happiness unless you've got that state of consciousness that enables that. And different people transcend or, get to that state of consciousness in different ways. The devotional type through the heart and connection with that one object of their devotion. So be connected to one thing today and approach everything from your heart. See what happens.